Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialize in a common rail injector. Today I want to share you some of our product, this one. If you're interested about this one, please follow me. And here is it's the VCI anti-rust bags. And for this part, it's the labels. Yes. And this is a Shumatt logo. If you want print with your own logo, you can contact us. Okay. The logo label and the packaging bag and so on. This customized service is the product code F00RJ02035. Yes, application model number is 0451201117, 0451201920, 0451202115, 04512015, 04512016, 04512016. This is a QR code. No other information. The inside is like this. We have two forms of the packages. This is the whole side. Also, we sell the separate parts. It's like this one. Also with the coating and with the curved letters on it. This part is the valve roll. For the valve roll, we have different sizes and ones. If you want other sizes, please feel free to contact us. Okay, that's all the details about the warranty. We have 6 months, and the 3 tips for you. The first, clean the user oil, and second, make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third, make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Yes. Okay, that's all the details about today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Love you guys. Bye bye.